Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to Griddle Central. You know, I've been on YouTube a long... I'm trying to make sure I don't fall over. Been on YouTube a long time, and I don't stop to smell the roses very often. You know, I never made it to those lofty heights of 15 million subscribers or, you know, dude perfect level. But I tell you what, man, things are popping. They're moving as usual. And I just found out that my YouTube channel right here went over 11 million views. That's right. Over 11 million video views right here on my channel. Things are insane. As of today, as of like 10 minutes ago, this channel, my channel, is getting 31,000 video views a day, about 250 or 260 new subscribers each and every day. And like I said, I don't stop to smell the roses very often. But this kind of just hit me when I saw that. Over 11 million viewers. So let's give away a Blackstone 36-inch griddle. That's right, let's do it. So to win it, you have to be a subscriber right here. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell, because if I pick your comment and you're the winner and then I check to see if you're subscribed, on to the next person, no hesitation. So you have to be subscribed and you have to leave a comment down below. Tell me why you want the Blackstone griddle, and of course you could butter me up and tell me why you like watching my channel and what you like, what type of videos you like seeing, etc. So subscribe, hit that bell, leave a comment down below, and I'll let this run for 1 week. We'll come back a week from now, we'll pick a winner, and we'll either have one shipped for you to pick it up at your local Walmart store, or we'll have it shipped to your door. We have to leave this in the lower 48, unfortunately. Costs too much money, and I'd go broke trying to ship a griddle up to Alaska and stuff like that. So until next time, everybody, I hope you win that griddle. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. It really does bless me. Thank you so much. Praise the Lord and pass the food.